I want to give you a tour of my interior cabin on the Carnival Conquest, room 1221. Let's get into it. By the bed, you have identical nightstands here, and they do not have plugs in them, so there's no USB port or anything like that to charge your phones. This is a king-size bed according to the Carnival website, and if there were two people sailing in here, they can split up into two twins. Next to the bed, you have two lovely portholes. Yes, this is an interior room, but it does come with two portholes. Across from the bed, you have your TV. It's on the smaller side as far as cabin televisions go, and some storage down here. There's a couple of shelves in here. And right under the TV, you have your safe. And then down here, you do have your refrigerator. It's a bit small and it doesn't have the shelves that you typically have in the door. So you can only fit like a bottle of wine and a couple cans of soda in here at a time. So here's the desk, and there's a phone for you to call out. And there is a light switch right here, and you can turn on the lights for the mirror for when you're getting ready at night. And you'll see here, these are the only power outlets in the room. So you have one 110 and a 220. If you don't bring a 220 adapter, you are gonna struggle a little bit with charging all of your devices. Across from the desk, you do have a couch that's here, and on the couch is a pool towel. So you don't have to go up to the pool and get a towel. You can bring yours from your stateroom. And across from here is the closet, and you have a huge full-length mirror. It's perfect for getting ready at night. All the shelves you can want in the world, and there's 3 of them. So you have one where you can hang your long dresses, you can fold some things up like your pants, and this is where your life vests are located. And then the last one, very similar to the middle closet. Across from the closet is the bathroom. You do have the shampoo and the shower gel combo. It's a pretty typical Carnival bathroom. There's shelves, you have shelves for storage. They provide you always with some extra toilet paper, tissues, and disposable bags. Outside of the bathroom, you have the controls to change the temperature in your room, and you have light switches here, and then this one by the door. So yeah, this is my interior stateroom on board the Carnival Conquest with the 2 portholes.